Hey guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is Moonflower by Carlos Santana. A really popular, well, not so popular, but really wonderful tune of Carlos Santana. And he played it a little bit with, forgive me with this the expression, soft porn sound on that, but I'm gonna go more for the original Santana sound, but you can play it with any kind of guitar sound. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, also become a member of the HPCrazy Guitar Academy, also to download the guitar part which I transcribed for you. So, how does this thing sound like? I'm really glad I had some sight reading during my music studies because these are 3 pages and I don't know everything by heart. I just finished the transcription. So I'm going to play the first part and then I'm going to show you all parts that you're going to be able to play the entire tune. So this is the tune. So on, that's the tune, probably you know it. It's really a wonderful tune. And as I said, I'm going to show you how the melody is played, the way it's played on the original recording, but probably there are variations on the theme because, you know, themes are always more or less played like this, like this. I'm just going to show you how the theme is played and also give instructions how to do the solo, and there's also a unisono part at the end of the solo, and that one I'm also going to show to you. So let's get started. Okay guys, when you want to learn a tune, especially when it's a long one, complex one, it's good to understand its form. We have an A section, a B section, and we check out how many times which part is played. So the form is A, B, A. Yeah, that's how it is. Or, no, A, B, B. A, B, A. Oh, my brain. No, it's A, B, A. So that's the form. Okay? And it's played in D minor. So, I'm going to take away the distortion a little bit. It's played basically in this position here. The normal D minor position, but I also checked on the live videos which position he played. He didn't, parts of it he played in a higher position, so we also move into a higher position. So I really hope I got the fingerings of the original fingerings right, but I made a version which really is easy to play. So now I need my glasses for the sight reading. Okay, so first of all, that's the entry phrase here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Here, 12, 14, 15, 13, 11, 11, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Or you can play it either like this, or I think Carlos plays it here. But then he goes in the lower position. And then comes quarter triples are used very often. So I'm gonna play just without the backing track, just with click 1 or 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 1. So it often starts on count 2. That's like a signature thing on this tune. So get used to starting on count 2, okay? I'm gonna do once again and then go to the second phrase of the A part, and that one is, yeah, that's how it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. No, that's a little bit tricky here. Here, 9, 10, 12. And then, now comes the final phrase on 2. Let me zoom in a little bit more that you see the fingerings properly. So, okay. Maybe that's more useful. The second thing. And then the whole thing starts all over again. Let me play with the track now. 1, 2, 3, 4. And play it again. Play it twice, okay? Now let's go to the B part. As I said, A is played twice, and then goes the B part. It starts here, 1 on one end. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we're in the higher position. Then this little figure, typical Santana figure, with his typical bending. And then, so that's the B section. I'm going to play it slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Three, 4. So that was A, B section, okay? Then it's played again, but now we have a variation. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. This here. And then ends the same. Oh. And ends like this. Okay? So I'm gonna play the B section for you. Oops, I missed it. That can happen to me. 1, 2. Oh, the entry is not. I thought it starts somewhere else. That's why I missed it. Let me go back now. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Then comes the A section again, okay? What else to say? Yeah, it comes once, we have the A section, and then comes the solo. Let me play the whole thing till the solo, now with delay. Let us see how it works. And I try to stay in the screen. You know, guys, I'm doing sight reading here while I cannot watch the screen and the sight reading at the same time. So section again. And here is the solo, okay? Sorry, I made a mistake at the end. As I said, I'm doing sight reading here, guys. I don't really know the tune. I've just played it from this here. Okay, now let's check out the solo. The solo is on cue. That means it's a vamp, so-called vamp. And the vamp is on D minor, A7, D minor, A7, a Latin groove. And basically, you can play any kind of D minor stuff. Okay, you know, if you want to play typical Santana stuff, you can do stuff like this. Or but when it comes to the A, then you play either the A or the C sharp. I'm gonna show you. Let's go to the solo part. C sharp. Now comes the unisono part. And then it goes to the B section. Okay? Now let's check the unisono part. It's really simple, but the rhythm is a little bit tricky. It's all off beats. It's doing this here. 12. Like this, but it's offbeat. It starts in 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and okay, and then it goes directly to the B section, the twice B with the variations, and at the end it goes back to the soloing. Okay. Well, the trick is just to start on the 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Or you can do alternate picking like this, and all of which is offbeat is the ones which you attack. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it goes directly to the B section. Yeah, let me do the whole solo again now with the unisono part to give you an inspiration. And then we go to the B section, okay? Unisono part. goes directly to solo again. Yo guys, that was Moonflower by Carlos Santana. I did the whole thing now with sight reading. I have my glasses here, because I'm blind as a mouse. But for sure it's better when you know the theme by heart, because then you can make it a little bit more smooth. I was playing it really much tight on the notes which are written out, which are original from the original tapped out. But as I said, it can be a little bit different from version to version. It doesn't have to be so tight on the theme. Good. One more to say. If you want to download the tabs and the backing track I provided for you, it's available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Please join there. Also, if you don't want to download the stuff to discuss with other fans of guitar playing and help us to build we're a little small, cool community there of guitar lovers. And by the way, it's my only social media feed which I'm doing there, so it's probably interesting for you to join there also with a free member account. Good, that's all I have to say. If you love my channel, please subscribe, share it to your friends, help it grow, and also please write me a review on Google Maps, HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Bien, Dr. Pink, or saying, oye, ¿cómo va? Or how you say, vaya con Dios, vaya tú con Dios. To Carlos Santana.